Hey everyone, thank you for clicking on the video. Today we're going to watch a first guy to say bless you after a sneeze by Ryan Josh. And if you are new here, please leave a like and subscribe.
Hi there. Hello. Took the words right out of my mouth.
Hi there. Hello.
What?
The good
What?
old hello.
Continue your sentence, please. Oh, is this a sneeze? Oh, this is going to be a big one. That's perfect. Yeah. Check this out. Bless you. What? Why? Why what? You said bless you? Yeah, just a little something I'm working on. Seems like a weird time to call out deities. I was just shooting some snot out my nose. So here's my take. I'm gonna tell it like it is. Coming off a little aggressive,
Why?
but go ahead. I'm thinking that when you sneeze,
Little aggressive.
it weakens you. Maybe for a second. And that split second, right after your nose is tingly, I fear a spirit could get in that moment. Like in your body. Like a possession
Well, is it real?
situation. It would be the perfect time. And you figure saying bless you. Well, if you're blessed, that won't happen. The evil spirits will stay away. Which evil
Wait, what? I thought the reason people say bless you after a sneeze is because back then there was a plague and no medical care, right? So often if you sneeze or cough, you basically done for. But now I know. Basically, the guy on the YouTube just told me. So saying bless you makes me a demon hunter. Well, bless you all.
spirits, though? Just the regular sneeze demons we're all familiar with. I don't know anything
Sneeze
about
demon.
that. Quick cue. Don't recall opening this up for questions, but go
Quick queue is for questions.
ahead. Isn't he busy? Who? Like God or whatever deity you're telling to bless me? Aren't they busy with, like killing witches and doing miracles and keeping the earth flat? Not sure about all that stuff, but he's
Earth flat. He's a flat earther. Sometimes I worry what if a flat earther is right? He'd be like, I told you so. I told you so.
got the bandwidth to bless everybody sneezing at any time. Yes, and you
Yep.
gotta say it after every sneeze. Correct. It doesn't last, the blessing. It doesn't last long at all. It fades almost
You cannot open a saving account of blessing.
immediately, I think. Seems kind of short-sighted. You want to be infinitely blessed from sneezes? Are you insane? You sound like a crazy person. Anyway, by saying bless you, I think I'm also keeping your soul in your body, preventing it from escaping. Okay, what are you talking about now? I'm thinking when you sneeze, you risk maybe shooting your soul out your body. I promise you, all I expelled was snot and saliva. Maybe one Rice Krispie because I was stuck in my teeth, but I don't feel it anymore. Yeah,
Maybe part of your soul.
because I said bless you, which shoved your soul back into your nostrils where it belongs. I think you're overthinking sneezing. I think you're underthinking sneezes. You're expelling stuff from your body. You think your soul's not at risk? Okay, well, what about farts and burps? What about them? You're gonna say bless you when those expulsions happen? Ugh.
Well, he got a point. What about farts? Well, when you fart, nobody says that, right? That makes so much sense now. Lactose intolerant people are possessed. And yes, it definitely weakens you, especially when you are in public place and holding a number 2. Remember, don't sneeze because no amount of bliss you can save you, and there will be an inconvenience.
Farts and burps. What about them? You're gonna say bless you when those expulsions happen? Ugh. No, if anything, I'm gonna say be less you, because that's disgusting.
Bless you. Bless you, my child.
Are you fellas talking about farts? No, we're all done. Boring. Bless you! What the heck? It's a whole thing. Don't worry about it. What's he doing to my hole? Just trying to help with the sneeze.
So,
I just
it's a whole thing. Well, he just saved his spirit and his life from a demon. Basically, the guy who invented Bless You was a demon hunter. Makes sense.
did. Yes! Listen, if you want to say something after I sneeze, you say gesundheit. Well, that sounds like a made-up word. All words
Gesundheit, where I have heard that before. Oh, I just remember. On Friends, Joey hits Gunther with Gesundheit, right? And I thought he was just saying his name with a fancy accent. But jokes apart, rest in peace, Gunther. Gesundheit.
And this one means healthiness in German. You speak German? No, just this one word. You sound completely insane. Let me shove your soul back in your body with my words. So you think we should speak German to you, just one word after you sneeze. Why not English? I'm trying to be fancy, okay? How about you say nothing then? Oh my god. What is happening? Oh no! Oh, look at that. The evil spirits got him. I told you.
So it's proved you cannot open a saving account of a blessings. You have to keep praying. You have to keep say it. I didn't know it was used to save you from a evil spirit or a possession. But now I know. And I did not know Gazante means bless you too. All thanks to most blessed Canadian, the Ryan, the George. Now I know. Hilarious kid. He always come from the left field and always delivers it. He makes me laugh. I also want to tell you that I'm trying to write some jokes on the movies and the series. It's called My Take. If you want to check that out, it's on the same channel, and links will be in the description. Well, that's about it. See you in the next one.